Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can unlock climbing. So let's get right into it. I'll show you how to unlock climbing in a Township Tale. A Township Tale is an upcoming VR RPG multiplayer game, and it is currently in its pre-alpha stages. This means that all the information that I will be giving you is subject to change, and some of the information might be glitchy, so just keep that in mind and everything should be fine. As you can see, I'm currently using the Township Tale wiki to provide you this tutorial. I'm using this since I do not own a VR headset and I cannot show you in game, sadly. However, this does not detract from the tutorial at all, and everything should be perfectly clear to you. So just follow my steps and everything will be perfectly clear. Now, climbing is a mechanic through which you can go to the climbing tower, and when you go through the climbing tower, you'll be rewarded with a gift to be able to climb the outside world. Now, once you access the climbing tower, you can access this through, I don't remember which level you need to be. However, yeah, just access the tower. And once you reach the second checkpoint with the hand and crystal floating above it, this will give you the climbing ability, albeit at a low stamina. The more checkpoints you complete, the more stamina you will unlock, and you must collect all previous orbs to get the next orb. And once you complete this tower and you climb all the way to the top, you will be able to climb in the outside world, and that is pretty much how you unlock that functionality. So yeah, that's been it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.